Pag ako yun, Manang! Takot ako!
Put the truffle oil.
Pag wala ng fire.
Yeah.
So you put it lang sa ano? Talaga naman, inimbita na lang sa bahay, pinagluto pa. Pwede niyang pasta na eh.
Yeah, maluluto na siya. Maluluto pa siya.
Kaya kasi parang pagsabi.
Come on. Actually, marami.
Oops. That's okay, that's okay. So, ibig ko sabihin, kung meron kang mga, ano ka ba siya na? Hindi na. Kung meron kang friends that were gonna come by and you just want to prepare something simple, you can do this even while chatting with them, while you're drinking wine, and then kainin nyo agad hot. Okay, this one. I wanna see how you do it nga, parang you do it differently.
Yeah.
Kailangan sa
I'll try out.
serving bowl natin. Ito na. You want a bigger one?
Yeah. You can smell it na, Marge.
I can smell it. I did not see how much drops you put. Ooh la la. Super yum. So kung gusto niyo mas maarte pa ng konti, put fresh mushrooms. 'Di ba? Pero pwede na rin ganyan yan. Wow. Woo! Teka. Do you still wanna put Parmesan cheese? Or ako
Actually, pwedeng wala na.
Actually, pwedeng wala. Masarap nga siya kahit wala. Naku, matutuwa si Leon. Dito natin lalagay yan. Ganun lang kasimple. Oh my God. Okay guys, this is restaurant levels. You sure okay na? Alam mong okay na yung pasta pag...
Yeah. Smell it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You smell it? Okay, we're gonna try it. Me. La! Look who's in my kitchen.
Super bagay.
Okay, wait. We're gonna take picture and you're gonna try her truffle pasta.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, May, do the honors. Papakainin mo yung inaanak mo.
Leon,
Tumabi ka
try
sa
this.
ninang mo. Tingnan natin kung
Bakit
gaano ka
wala ako?
kahigante.
Why?
Wait, kuya.
Try.
Kailangan mo, no? Iba rin yung kay Tita May talaga, no?
Iba yung version ko?
The original.
Really?
Yeah. Masarap?
It's perfect.
May, tayo naman.
Okay, tayo naman. Actually, this is yours.
This mine?
Yeah.
Okay, this is yours. Sarap, no? Sabi ko sa'yo, matutuwa sila yun pag uwi galing school.